In this clip, we're going to be taking a look at 4 round brilliant cut diamonds that are here. 3 of these fall into our signature collection. One of them doesn't necessarily, but we called in for exam. But in these first 2 diamonds we're looking at, both of these are 2 awesome precision cut hearts and arrow diamonds that fall into our traditional hearts and arrows patterning. Both of these stones are JVS2s. The diamond on the left is a 172 JVS2. Comes from the IC2 cutting facility, one of our primary resources that cuts some of our most beautiful hearts and arrow diamonds that we feature. And the diamond on the right happens to come from an unbranded hearts and arrows resource of ours, a 175 JVS2. Both of them beauties. And as you can see, the visual differences in the face-up view and diffuse lighting for brightness and contrast are very minor, little to no difference whatsoever. You'll see perhaps a little bit more of a difference as we move to the next diamond, which is a 2.06 KSI1. It is not a hearts and arrows diamond. The stone does meet the qualifications for GIA X. It's not a hearts and arrows. It's a shallower depth. It's a 59.6 depth. Let's see. I'm sorry, 58.9 depth with a 60 table. It's polish and symmetry excellent, with a cut grade of excellent. And you can see as we look down upon these this comparison, there's a little bit more darkness here in the stone. And this is really a critical exam with the eyes in diffuse lighting. A little bit better there, but it's also a stone that, here's an example of a GIA triple excellent that we wouldn't necessarily back with our lifetime policies. Okay? So if you look at the stats on this 206 KSI1 on our website, which is listed under diamond number 4795 in the URL, you can see all of the stats on this diamond and how it performs on various technologies, all the facet measurements on the sarin and whatnot. It is a K color with strong blue fluorescence though, so it does cause the diamond to face up pretty white. So there are positive features about the stone, but not quite what constitutes my signature. Okay, now we're going to look at this stone here is 2 carat 04 NSI1. Yeah, you heard me right, that's an N. And this diamond here is a slightly different flavor of our hearts and arrows. It doesn't encompass the traditional hearts and arrows pattern, but a modified new style of hearts and arrows we're cutting with that we call an open heart, which you can see in the hearts and arrows images will vary slightly from this 2 carat NSI1 diamond number 4617 on our website. You'll notice the hearts pattern is a little bit different from our traditional hearts patterns, but equally as gorgeous, beautiful, absolutely gorgeous brightness. You can see the stone when I put it next to a traditional hearts and arrows. There's not a huge difference in the face-up view. A little bit of a difference, but another equally gorgeous diamond. And optically and visibly, I do gotta say I have a preference towards that. Although this stone does have a little bit more warmth due to its color. It is an N in color. And you can see a little bit of the color difference going from this K to this N. Okay, and I believe we're capturing that for you here in the clip. Also, okay, we're going to bring these into spotlighting and look at the fire and sparkle elements now. Okay, and here we have again the 172 and the 175 JVS2s. Just absolutely gorgeous. Can I interest you in a pair of studs? Beautiful, beautiful diamonds. Absolutely spectacular fire. Insane eye candy. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, here is the 2-carat KSI1.
That is stunning.
Beautiful fire on that diamond. So if you're looking in spotlighting at this stone, like if you were in jewelry store lighting only, this 2-carat KSI1 is going to show up as a real fireball. Okay. Nice learning stone, this 2-carat KSI1. Here is the 2-carat NSI1 now to the right, and another absolutely spectacular fireball. Nice broad fire popping off of the lower halves. As I rock and tilt this diamond, you can see those broad flashes of fire under the table. See them happen. You can see them happening right there in that upper portion on the lower halves. Just like awesome mirrors and reflections of broad fire there, and a gorgeous mix of pin fire, which is why I had these diamonds cut in the first place. This modified hearts and arrows, the open heart. Absolutely spectacular diamond.
That's a baby. It's locked in the tweezer, so you can hold on to that. And that's a good visual for,
Okay.
you know, to hold over whatever rings.
And there's that comparison. And I hope this helps.